Good evening,
Good
Mr.
evening,
Didat
good evening, good evening.
I'm from Cape Town.
Mashallah.
I'm a truck driver. I'm just driving through.
Right.
And I received this invitation on
Lovely.
Now, I'm a Christian. And I would like to ask you one question, that is, why since 1948, the 14th of May, when the Jews went back to
Israel,
Israel became a nation and all that. I would love to know, since that time they have fought 7 wars.
Right.
All 7 have been won by the Jews.
Right.
And I would love to know, why is it that that country is surrounded by the Arab states?
160 million Muslims.
Yes. And they ain't able to overpower a country with 140,000 soldiers in the army. Why is that, Mr.?
I'll give you an easy answer. Sit down, yes. You know, Smith in southern Rhodesia, he declared the UDI, Unilateral Declaration of Independence. You remember that? For 12 years, he made the whole of Africa to say, hey, you bloody rubbish, stand afar, don't come near. And there were only 250,000, do you know that? Do you know that there are only 250,000 whites in southern Rhodesia, and they had the whole of Africa, your Nigeria, and your Ghana, and your Malawi, and whole bang lot of us, Shh, keep at arm's length, you're bloody rubbish. For 12 years, he kept us there. No, it's the armory, weapons. That guy has got the weaponry. America is behind him. Every time the Muslim goes to war against the Jew, he's not fighting the Jew, he's fighting America. In 1973, for the first time, the Arabs took the initiative. The Ramadan War, the October War, Sadat crossed the Bar-Lev line, he had the Jews by the throat. And the Jews cried for help. And Reagan rushed into the battle with his Minion machines through the Azores, direct into the battlefield. So we are not fighting the Jews. This is Jew is a facade, it's a front. We are actually fighting America. Inshallah, say God willing, one day, things will come right. They are working. Today little children are facing them with stones. That spirit will win. This is what God wants. The spirit is the spirit that's going to win. The guy is giving in. He's going to say, all right, now man, you have a little piece here, little piece there. His nation says no. But he still says no, he knows which side his bread is buttered. So he says, now leave it to God. God in his wisdom, he's got his plan. Is a purification for us. We need purification. You see, we are not altogether pure. We have to be purified. In our intentions and our spirit, we have to be purified to get victory. It'll take time, but inshallah it's working. It'll work.